Hi, I'm Christina with Tinagirl Life, and today I'm going to show you a super simple way to cook bacon. So if you're cooking 1 or 2, 3 slices, I wouldn't use this method. But if you are cooking up an entire package or multiple packages, like I did last weekend when all our kids came over for breakfast on Thanksgiving, this is what I did. And it's so amazing because, well, you know when you're cooking bacon on your stove and it's splattering everywhere, and I find I have to clean my stove, my backsplash, and everything. Everything just gets covered in those little grease dots. So let me show you this method that I use now to cook bacon every time I cook bacon. So what you'll need is a cookie sheet and some aluminum foil. Now, you don't need aluminum foil. You can just put it directly on the pan, but this makes it quicker and easier for cleanup. So I've got my packet of bacon. This bacon's from Costco, Kirkland Signature. I really like their bacon. And what you're going to do is just lay it out on the pan. So I have not preheated my oven. And I think that might be the trick as to why it doesn't splatter in the oven. And then you're just going to peel this bacon. My bacon was frozen, so it's still a little bit crystallized here, which is just fine. So the nice thing about doing this is you can cook up multiple trays of bacon. So if you're having a big party and you need cooked bacon for something, you can do it this way. And the other thing that's nice about it is you don't have to stand and watch it like you do when it's on your stove. So I kind of overlap them a little bit, as you can see, because as they cook, they actually shrink. Okay, we've got them all laid out. So I ended up having to put a couple at the top and the bottom, and that's okay. Let's get this in the oven. We're going to set the oven to 400 degrees, and we're going to start with 20 minutes. That'll give us soft bacon. If you want crispier, you'll want to cook it longer. I'm just going to lay some paper towel down on this plate just to mop up some of the excess bacon grease. And it's looking good. And I bet you can imagine how my house smells right now. The bacon's been in for 20 minutes now. And like I said earlier, when you use this method, there's no splattering like when you cook it on the stovetop in a pan. I'm going to add a couple of minutes just to crisp it up a bit more, but I actually still want it to be fairly soft for what I'm using it for. Okay, it's done. I'm just going to use my tongs to pick it up and transfer it over to my plate with the paper towel on it. I have a convection oven with 3 racks, so I can actually do 3 whole packages at once. If you don't have a convection oven but you still have 2 or 3 racks, just swap out the cookie sheets halfway through, like move the bottom one up to the top and the top one down to the bottom for more even cooking. So now I'm left with my tin foil that has all the baked on grease from the bacon. Cleanup is so easy from this point. I just peel off that foil, and there'll still be a little bit of grease that's seeped under the foil, but that's quickly cleaned up with a little hot water and soap. Hey, thanks for watching Tinagirl Life today and my simple cooking series. I hope you enjoyed learning how to cook an entire package of bacon with no splatter mess all over your kitchen. So thanks again for watching Tinagirl Life, and I'll pop up some videos right here for you to watch if you're interested in more simple cooking recipes.